What's going on, guys? Just got back home from an amazing jog with Catherine and my beautiful baby Noah. And now we're just chilling at home. Catherine's making Noah's breakfast. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. You wanna say hi to the peeps? Let's say, hey everyone. It's raining. It's kind of boring weather outside, but we managed to go out anyways. Catherine actually pushed me to go this morning. I really didn't want to go, but thanks, Catherine. Feel better now. Everyone thinks you've become so big on the vlog because they haven't seen you in a while, huh?
Making you oatmeal. You want some water?
You're gonna give him water from my protein scoop?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a good size for him.
Oh my god. Right, we're not gonna drown him on camera, are we? We're leaving Norway in a couple days. How do you feel about that? Catherine, you excited for some sunshine? At least?
Yeah, I'm excited for some sunshine and some warm weather because today we woke up and it was like 4 degrees.
Yeah, it's super cold here.
Yeah, he wants to listen to music.
Alright, let's listen to some music, alright? He loves it. So while Noah's eating his breakfast, I'm gonna be preparing a baked oatmeal. We're on a baked oatmeal kick lately. If you haven't checked out the recipe video, please do, it's amazing. Right, so, gonna go out. So a key ingredient in baked oatmeal is definitely apples. So we got an apple tree right here, and this is a plum tree. So there's a bunch of apples here. A bunch have fallen down, as you can see. But these apples are definitely a little bit different from the ones that you get at the store. They're a little bit more sour and smaller as well. This one looks good. Yeah, this one's amazing. This one looks pretty good too. How do you like them apples? The final step, some blueberries on top, just like that. Half an hour in the oven, and that's it. Check this out. Tell me that doesn't look absolutely delicious. Did you have a good nap? Oh. What's up, Pixie? You good? Such a patient girl, huh? She'll get some baked oatmeal in. I'm super excited to eat this. Daddy's gonna go make some gains in the gym, okay? Flex for them haters.
Can you do that?
Nope. Okay. Yay! There you go. Yay! Let me see that flex one more time. Ooh, yay! Alright, let's go. So yeah, guys, today I wanted to focus on the main reason why you're not making progress in the gym. And this is something that I truly believe a lot in, and something that I've been telling you guys for, yeah, I don't know, how long I've been on YouTube, for 7 years or something. So this is still remaining just as true as you know, it did when I started working out. It's always been a key principle, and that is intensity. So it's hard for me to just explain exactly what you have to do, but I'll show you when I get to the gym. But it really is all about how you're optimizing your training when you're in the gym. So we can all spend a certain amount of time in the gym, but how you spend that time is a key, right? So like, what's the point of going to the gym and wasting an hour by doing low intensity stuff, checking your Instagram feed, and just DMing people? That's not gonna be a smart use of your time. So you wanna go into the gym with the intention of absolutely... Damn. Oh. Check that out. I think it's Catherine's dad. Yeah, Catherine's dad today. He's showing the kids at the kindergarten because he's a firefighter. What was I saying? Yeah, you gotta be going into the gym with full intensity, and the way that a lot of people lose track is the time in between sets, the time in between each set. People let 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes go by, when in reality, you have to keep it to a minimum. I personally like to have, you know, 1 to 2 minutes maximum in between each set, in between each exercise. And that seems to be, you know, something that works really well, just to, you know, keep the intensity super high. And you can play around with it. There is no right or wrong, but if you're just dragging on too long, the workout is going to be like 2 hours before you get to go through all the exercises. So try to keep it a little bit shorter, and try to keep track of the time by using an app on your phone or by actually counting the seconds in your head. Now I just kind of go by intuition. I just kind of feel when my muscles are ready to, you know, go, and sometimes that averages around 45 seconds to 1.5 minutes. But I'm not on my phone scrolling all the time, because that like whenever I do that, I completely have a bad workout. So I'm gonna go into the gym right now to show you guys how a set of full intensity, a set to failure-ish looks like, and this is how I recommend everyone to train on every single set. Now, a lot of people will say, hey John, you're so full of shit, you're not supposed to train to failure because you can overtrain, blah, blah, blah. So there's a big difference between actual muscular failure and what I'm talking about here. You know, real muscular failure is something that is super hard to achieve and it requires a lot of effort, and that is not what I'm talking about today. I'm talking about, you know, general muscular failure, which means when you cannot do another repetition with proper form or technique. So I'm gonna show you guys right now because it's gonna make a lot more sense. Obviously you gotta warm up first, do your thing. Always keep a good technique. If you wanna change up the pace and go a little bit faster like this, that's fine as well. It's up to you. But the key thing is just to keep the form and technique as perfect as you can. You know, when it starts getting challenging, this is when it counts. Everything before that is just bullshit, doesn't count at all. So, when you feel the burn, when you feel that your muscles are getting tired, that's when you have to push it. So you see now, it's getting super challenging. I can only have one more rep. Oh, that's it. That's what I consider failure. I could have maybe done another rep like jumping and using my whole body, but I do not recommend that because the risk of injury is too high and you're not getting that much benefit. So obviously this is gonna be really challenging to do if you're doing on an incline bench press or just a regular bench press, because you don't wanna have your bar like, you know, fall on top of you. So there's some exercises that's really challenging to take it to failure, but as close as you can, that'll always be better. And keep it risk-free. Like, don't, you know, risk it too much. You know yourself, know your level of experience, and take it from there. Halfway through the workout right now, and one of the key things that I forgot to mention is really, guys, I mean the pain and pushing yourself to the level that is required for crazy muscle growth, crazy progress. It's hard, man. It's mentally tough. This is not easy. This is not for everyone straight away. It's something that you have to build up to. You have to build a kind of like a relationship to pain that you haven't built before. Remember, guys, we're here to destroy ourselves, to break down so that we can rebuild later with nutrition and with rest. But when we're in the gym, it's about destruction. That's all it is. Back from the gym, it was a really good workout. Now I'm having just a small post-workout yogurt, the Alpro Go On passion fruit, and I added a little bit of the baked oatmeal in here as well. So usually I'll have like protein shake or a smoothie, but this protein is so disgusting that I never feel like having it. I'm starving right now.
I'm so hungry. And we're late.
We're very late. So we got some potatoes, got some potato dumplings, super delicious, and some, yeah. Never mind. This is looking very exciting, Catherine.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Yeah, I'm excited to see if Noah likes it as well.
Yeah,
he hasn't had that before.
Yeah.
And this is my portion. So yeah, the vegetables that you're seeing here, this is swede, which is amazing, and carrots and potatoes as well. I'm gonna try the potato dumplings, which is basically flour and potato. I think that's pretty much it. So simple, but so delicious.
Hello, 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 hello.
God, Noah, what are you doing? Oh my God, he's going blind. Oh my God, take him. Man, you are crazy. Oh my God, wait, watch out for the pig. You don't want to step on pigs, you're a vegan. Oh, whoa! Today, I didn't end up having much protein at all, so I'll have to resort to the unfortunate pea protein. So yeah, I'm gonna be making a shake with 1.5 scoops of this mixed with water, just because I just can't be bothered to do anything else, and that is gonna be the torture for the day. So I'm just gonna be mixing this with water because no matter what I put in there, it's gonna ruin it. This lid does not even belong to this shaker. Kind of risky.
Maybe do
what do you
it with
think?
a sink?
Yeah, with a sink, just in case. Well, it works. If I puke, you take the baby, alright? Oh God. Oh
No,
man.
I don't think you want to taste that.
Yeah, you really... No.
I made you porridge. I made you oatmeal. It's gonna be a lot tastier.
You like that? Are you crazy, boy? I feel like I'm doing urine therapy or something. It's disgusting. Catherine, please try it out.
No, I don't.
Just try one little sip, just like a mini taste, and tell me it's not the worst thing you've ever tried in your whole life.
Oh, it's super thick.
It's so bad. It's so bad. Only Noah likes it.
That's horrible. I don't even know how you can drink that.
Yeah, Noah likes it. Must taste like your
So
breast milk.
thick.
Yeah.
No, my breast milk doesn't taste like that. That's so rude.
Yeah, sorry. You find that funny? Oh, God. Oh, it's so bad. I can't do it. How is that funny? Can you lend me a hand? Just like pinch my nose for a second, Catherine? There you go.
What's Daddy doing?
God.
See Daddy.
Oh, what do you do? You're biting the whole thing. He's biting the whole thing. Hey, you naughty boy. Alright.
I think you're overtired. You need to go to bed now.
Oh my God. Oh my God. What are you doing, baby? Do not bite that, alright?
Don't bite it.
Oh my God. Oh, this is the... Oh my God. 3, 2, 1.
No one.
Oh my God, please, baby. Careful. Oh my God, okay, I'm gonna finish. We're gonna finish this vlog here. He's clearly overtired. He needs to go to bed. Right, baby?
Eat first.
Yeah, oh yeah, he needs to eat first, alright? Save your appetite. Save your appetite, alright? Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was a fun little vlog. Anyways, peace out. Bye-bye. Now.